Okay, so today we're going to be putting sparkles or something that looks like sparkles. So the first thing you need to do is go over here to your toolbar and go to brushes. And so once you have the brushes here, you have to go over to the brush tool here, and we're going to go to brushes here. So now what we need to do is so these are all brushes that are inside of Photoshop that you can choose, but I don't know that any of them will really make it look like a sparkle that you're trying to call attention to something. So what we need to do is go up here to the 3 lines, and we're going to go down here to where it says Legacy Brushes. We're going to click on it, and we're going to say OK. So now, if you go all the way to the bottom, there is something called Legacy Brushes. The easiest way for us to do this now is if we go up here to the search bar, we're going to look for Starburst. And I would go ahead and just pick the small one for right now. And you see the shape of the brush. So if I click on it, I can make it look like stars. Now I can also, if I change this, I go here and I'm going to change it to maybe like a yellow. You can go right on top of it and it kind of gives it a little bit, well, let's undo that for a minute. I want to go a little bit brighter than that maybe. And the other thing you can do is this is, oh, see, now I did something wrong. See, I put them all on this layer. We do not want it on that layer, do we? So we're going to undo, which is Control Z. We're going to create a new layer, and we're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on this, and then we're going to click on a new layer again, and if I click right on top of it, and I hit Control T, I can then take and make a yellow and white one if that's what I want to do. All right, so what you need to do is you need to create some sparkle. I would say you need at least 5 or 6 of them, and then you need to name them sparkle. If you do not want it as part of your final, you will just turn it off, but I should be able to count at least 5 sparkles that come over here. Like I said, it does not have to be part of your final one. You can also play with the large one. These are all pretty much the same. If you want to change the size of it, if you go up here, and I can make it really big. Well, it's not letting you make it that big. So maybe, so I can make it really big if I wanted to, or I could make it really small. I just want little ones around. So go ahead and play with that a little bit and make sure that you have all your layers over here and they're named. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me.